garden project was very different from what we usually do in class. So the purpose was to channel our emotions, the stress that classes generate, and obviously it helped us to distract ourselves from everything that is happening, relaxing either painting or drawing. And little by little we were discovering skills that we did not know that we had.
In ancient Chinese gardens, the aim was to create an experience in which individuals could feel different emotions by means of the textures and figures that contrast perfectly between them. In these spaces, not only the person who visited lived an incredible experience, but the architect used this means to release and transmit their emotions to others. As in Chinese gardens, this project has the intention of breaking free for all feelings generated by the very particular situation of a pandemic and share it with others, showing the place that will offer us more happiness and tranquility.
Before starting this project, the students have to develop a creative process in which they looked and organized the elements that would transmit peace to them in the space they wanted. The materials that were needed for the creation of these projects were mostly paints, colors, and colored paper. However, some projects used unexpected materials, such as wool, but which gave a harmony and detail to the work.
And now, our experience while doing this project. We had a moment just to relax ourselves. A moment to skip from reality and feel as we were in our garden. We all had an amazing time painting and designing because it was a different activity from the others, a new experience, and each one could make their own dream garden. We were all excited to know how this project would be, and this motivated us to continue painting, especially when we started drawing and adding amazing colors. The garden started looking just the way we wanted. On the other hand, we had some difficulties during the process, like finding the way to show the original idea that we imagined and also creating our speech to present it in front of the class. Despite this, we could experiment different emotions during the process, according to our personalities. We discovered the real meaning of happiness, freedom, harmony, among others.
With the different visions of our classmates, the elements we used, and their descriptions, we were able to learn new words and ways of expressing ourselves verbally and artistically. We had some difficulties in the process, such as finding the correct way to show the real idea that we imagined, having the patience to reinvent ourselves and find another way through difficulties, and being able to express ourselves freely, being the work a way of releasing loads of emotions by translating those sensations to our project. Some of them were joy, nostalgia, freedom, harmony, anxiety, among others. Each one of us, with our unique style, explained their garden and showed the class their ideal place to release the burdens we have on a daily basis.